Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode we'll be making something very healthy and very nutritious. This delicious white cabbage at the comfort of our home. Let's make it. So the first ingredient is definitely the white cabbage, and we are going to chop that up, and also 1 red onion and also 2 large tomatoes. And guys, I've listed down below the ingredients on the description box. Please check that out. So after that, we have some grated garlic and some grated carrots, cilantro stalks and cilantro leaves. Then we're also going to make this with ghee. So put some 3 tablespoons of ghee, let that heat up well, and then add in your onions at that juncture, and then we're going to let our onions saute. Then we're going to add in some vegetable spice. Okay, after that you're going to add in garlic, carrots and tomatoes in bits, and then we also add in our cilantro stalks at that juncture. We let that cook until we have a very uniform paste, guys. And at this juncture the kitchen was smelling so nice. I'm not joking. This is the most delicious cabbage I've ever made. Like, I don't even know what to say. So after that we're going to add in the cabbage. And guys, always learn this from me. Please be using a lot of ingredients in your food. It always does magic. So after that you're going to mix everything together so that our cabbage can look colorful and all that. So after the cabbage has cooked, and don't cook your cabbage for too long because the vitamins can get lost. So after that you're going to add in the cilantro leaves, and I've cooked this cabbage for 3 minutes. So after that you mix everything, and when you're adding the cilantro leaves, you've already switched off the gas. Okay, so look at that meal, guys. You're going to serve it, and by the way, you can eat this alone, maybe if you are on a weight loss journey, or you can even eat it with any type of carbohydrate or even protein. You can eat it with rice, chapati, pancakes, ugali, and that is just traditional corn. And guys, if you've reached up to this juncture, please subscribe to this channel, and you can also support me by purchasing a membership on this channel. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. And as you can see, I ate mine with a chapati. Thank you.